We are the Jimmy Britt Automotive Family because we know family is important. For that reason, we've made significant advancements to how we do business during these health-focused times. Regarding your vehicle's maintenance, we recognize you want to limit your time in the store. So we've solved that, as well as created a premium program to give you the best experience possible moving forward. For the convenience of our loyal service customers, know that we've added additional loaner vehicles to our fleet, and all vehicles in our fleet, as well as our guest vehicles leaving the store, will be fully disinfected. Best of all, we're launching a premium pickup and redelivery service whenever your vehicle needs maintenance. We'll pick it up from your home or work and bring you back your vehicle when the maintenance is finished, so you don't have to wait in the store. All this to make sure you and your family save time and stay healthy. Just one more way Jimmy Britt proves we're family.